Hello and welcome back to another LSPDFR tutorial, or well, I guess GTA tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install OpenIV for your Grand Theft Auto 5. I'm going to be using this for LSPDFR mods, so don't know what you're using it for, but let's get into this. I'm going to click Setup, select the language, accept. I'm going to run OpenIV after installation. And I'm going to install it for 20 megabytes. That's not a lot. Alright, and I'm gonna click close. I'm gonna wait. There you go. GTA. I'm gonna go to GTA 5 Windows. Okay, now I want to find GTA 5 directory, and that's gonna be right here. As you can see, but before we continue, you want a mods folder, all lowercase. Just create a folder called mods, all lowercase, and then you can continue. I'm gonna click continue, continue, and then it's gonna start. It's gonna start all this. So I'm gonna wait here a minute and just wait for it to end. Alright, and that's done. So we're gonna go to Tools, Options, Mods folder. We're gonna turn on Allow Edit Mode only for archives inside Mods folder. So we're gonna close that. Go to Tools again, ASI Manager. And I have these three installed, but what you're gonna do is make sure all three of these are installed. And then go to Edit Mode. Turn on. You want Edit Mode on whenever you're editing something. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you looking at this video. That is how you install OpenIV.